Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today we are doing legs and abs, well, mostly legs, but first off we're starting with cardio. I did 15 minutes on the stairs, STAIRMASTER, 15 minutes with resistance band. Yeah, let it burn yo quads and your glutes. We coming for your glutes today. We coming for your neck. We coming for your neck. You know I got the high waters on because I'm a tall stallion in these streets. Yeah, so I do this first, burn some cardio, burn some calories, burn calories, and then I work my way through this. Now here we go with the abs. Get that stomach tight. You see a girl getting thick. All right, I see you, Ish. I see you. Anyways, I did this machine. This machine is called the Abs Abdominal Crunch Machine. It basically helps you do crunches, and yeah, it works because it's like 3 days later and sis is still feeling it. And I did 2 reps of 40, well, 2 sets of 40 with 8 reps. And then I did 1 set with 50 pounds and 10 reps. I hope I'm saying that right. So I did 3 sets total. Yeah, your girl was tired, so I stopped. And I'm about to do my second set right now. Also, don't forget to take that rest in between each set. 30 seconds is what I do between each set. And this is my last set, and then I am moving on to legs. So we're working on our side gluteus maximus. Copy. Basically, what I'm doing here is working on the sides of my booty with the band. And I did a superset. So I did 12 on each leg, side to side, and then I would get on this leg press, seated leg press machine, and do my leg press. And I did 100 pounds with 12 reps and 3 sets. Yeah, that's what I did. And then I went back into the band again, and then I went back on the leg press. So I did that. I did both of them 3 times, but it's a superset when you do that in between. But don't forget to take your 30-second rest in between. After you do your leg press and your band, take a rest. Leg press, band, take a rest. Doing this, slow down. Like, I'm going really fast, but take your time, slow down. I'm the kind of person that I don't care about what people are looking at me in the gym, but also, you know, you get a little subconscious about that stuff. But we gonna grow these glutes, and we don't got time for that. So we gonna, you see how I slowed down now? Because I realized, nah, girl, you gotta do this. You gonna do it right. So you do that on each side, and you grow that side glutes. And don't be afraid to take your time. And when you want that leg press, go lower, because I wasn't going as low as I needed to. Also, don't forget to squeeze that booty when you come up. Squeeze that muscle as you're coming up, even on the leg press and on the band. Okay, now we're doing the best machine ever. Psych. But this machine really does work your lower stomach, lower abs. I have issues with that. So now I'm on here on the leg lift machine doing my lower abs. I did 3 sets of 12 reps. So you basically use your upper body to help lift up your legs. And that's why you're doing that. You're tightening your core. And your core is getting worked really hard here, sisters. It's usually a sister struggling, but I'm pushing through. And I did a superset with this as well. So in between the 12 sets, 12 sets. The 12 reps, I did a kettlebell throw. You're gonna see that in a minute. Now, I know it's called a kettlebell throw, but do not throw it across the goddamn room. But anyway, you go really low and squat down and pull it up. So it's like you lifting it up. And you go really low and squat and squeeze your glutes as you come up. You can go slower than this, but I was like in a hurry too because I had to go to work. So I said, let me get this over with. And it's hurting, as you can tell. Y'all notice how I'm faced away from people? Right now I'm facing a wall. Sometimes when you like working out in the gym, you get a little subconscious, like I said before prior. I don't care half the time. Most of the time, 90% of the time, I don't care, but depends on who's around you. Yeah, so you can face a wall, make you focus, make you realize why you're doing what you're doing and get it done and get it through with, because this is not an easy workout, but it's not hard either. I believe that was about 50 pounds or maybe 30. I'm not sure. I don't remember how much pounds I lifted, but girl, it hurt. But you know, it worked. It does what it does. You know, you gotta get through it. This is my last set of these leg lifts. What you can also do to make it more challenging is put like a barbell, not a barbell, but like them long weights that people use, like the small versions, and put it, stand it up tall, and then have your foot swing over it and over it and over it, and that also works a great deal on the bottom of your bottom core. I'm gonna figure out what that bottom core is called because I'm working on it and I don't remember what it's called right now, but when I find out, I'm gonna let y'all know though. I'm gonna let y'all know. You see your girl taking a 30-second rest, you better take that rest, sis, because you need it, because you've been burning your buns and you worked hard for this. I just want to thank y'all for watching my video. I appreciate it. This is the end. I didn't even get to make an intro or outro. So yeah, this is my outro. It's a little ghetto, but we gonna do what it do. Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe. Come back to my channel for more videos. Bye.